Get ready to dive into some mind-blowing discoveries that'll take your breath away. From eerie ocean sculptures hidden beneath the waves to cosmic events that leave us starstruck, our world is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Let's hit the brakes on one such jaw-dropping find, a natural marvel known as Coral Tower, a detached reef standing at an incredible 140 feet tall, towering above even iconic landmarks like the Empire State Building. This underwater giant has been hiding in plain sight near the Great Barrier Reef, providing a thriving habitat for creatures big and small, including majestic turtles and powerful sharks. By mapping its vast expanse, scientists have unlocked new secrets about life forms living side by side in this incredible ecosystem. Get ready for a cosmic whodunit. Scientists were left scratching their heads when they noticed a sudden drop in brightness from the superstar Beetlejuice back in 2019. Talk about dimming the lights on our night sky. They pieced together clues by analyzing rock, sediment, and even organisms sent from space to uncover what caused this stellar slowdown. Was it nearing the end of its life cycle, or did it experience an epic supernova explosion, outshining a full moon? But hold up, because just a year later, NASA dropped another bombshell, a much more down-to-earth explanation for the mysterious shadow. It turns out the star simply ran low on fuel and started burning unevenly, firing off a super-hot plasma jet that cooled as it spread outwards. As this plasma jet cooled, it formed a cloud of stardust that might have cleverly blocked Beetlejuice's light from peering Earth observers, blasting off the radar, vanishing without warning. Get ready for an interstellar mystery that'll leave you starstruck. A bright star we last saw shining its light back in 2011 suddenly disappeared from view when scientists went to take a closer look just 8 short years later. We're not talking about some quiet fade out here. This was no supernova showstopper. Nope, this ghost star just up and vanished into thin air, leaving our stargazing sleuths utterly bewildered. Get ready to be blown away. A cosmic event lit up the sky with an intensity that's mind-boggling, 2.5 million times brighter than our very own sun. Meanwhile, closer to home, scientists have made some unsettling discoveries. For starters, they found microplastics invading Antarctica's pristine sea ice in a first-time-ever detection. And guess what? These tiny plastic particles are estimated to weigh a whopping 14 million tons, marking the most comprehensive global microplastic count yet. Get ready for a cosmic shockwave, because we just found out scientists have detected a weird humming noise coming from Mars, and they're scratching their heads trying to figure out what's causing it. But before we blast off into the unknown, let's take a closer look at Earth, where an incredible discovery has left researchers stunned. An astonishing quantity of trash on our ocean floor that's more than double what was previously found. It's another stark reminder of how important it is for us to be planet guardians and start making a change today. Buckle up and tune in, space fans. We're vibing to an otherworldly beat, the Martian hum. This low-key, yet mind-blowing drone echoes the rhythm of Mars' own quakes that shake things up on the red planet. But where's this cosmic sound coming from? Earth's got its own hums too, think ocean waves and howling winds, but Mars' tune is a higher pitch and way more mysterious. Is it the Martian geology under our lander's feet, or maybe even our lander itself that's generating this intergalactic jam? Check out Krogan Man, a mummy so well preserved it's as if death just hit pause, and fast forward to the weirdest detail, his nails are still going strong. I mean, this guy's fingernail bed is looking sharper than most of us in the morning. What ancient secrets could have led to such a manicure marvel centuries before our modern nail salons even existed? Get ready to blow your mind. A piece of stardust from beyond our wildest dreams has been discovered on Earth, and it's older than our entire solar system. This cosmic relic was born when a dying star exploded billions of years before our sun lit up the universe. The Stardust hitched a ride to our planet after crashing into Earth as part of the Martian meteorite in 1969, sending shockwaves across Australia. Scientists have now dug deeper and found tiny grains of this ancient stardust that date back an astonishing 4.6 to 7 billion years. That's even older than the dawn of our solar system itself. Get ready for another mind-blowing mystery. You might expect to find ancient human remains in the same spots where we discovered dinosaur fossils. But what happened to Labor Woman is nothing short of shocking. The discovery of her skull sparked widespread speculation and conspiracy theories, especially since she was believed to represent Native American heritage. And it's time to dive into the truth behind her untimely demise. But here's the fascinating part. When astronomers dug deeper into old data from Hubble Space Telescope archives, they were initially stoked to have stumbled upon Fomalhaut B, one of the very first exoplanets ever spotted way back in 2004. This distant world was shining bright like a tiny diamond, making headlines everywhere. However, fast forward to 2014, and a team re-examining the same footage found that Fomalhaut B had vanished into thin air, or rather, disappeared from view altogether. Let's break the mystery behind Fomalhaut b, the so-called exoplanet that vanished in thin air. Scientists dove into their supercomputer labs and ran some simulations to find out what might have happened here. And guess what? It turns out Fomalhaut b never was a planet at all, but most probably a thick dust cloud formed by an epic collision between two asteroids or comets. As the pieces slowly drifted apart over 10 long years, it left no signs of its existence in our telescope lenses. Get ready for a mind-blowing find in space. You've heard about black holes being cosmic vacuum cleaners, right? But did you know they can also unleash monster energy bursts? Imagine a super powerful hula hoop sucking in gas and material. That's basically what's happening here. What's truly wild is this gargantuan crater that just popped up on astronomers' radar through X-ray and radio telescopes. Its enormous size made them think twice about it being an explosion, leaving us to wonder what other secrets lie within the universe's most jaw-dropping discoveries. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. The universe just dropped the mic with its latest mind-blowing surprise. A crater so epic that it defies explanation. We're talking X-rays and radio waves screaming a common story that no existing theory can answer. To make this cosmic conundrum even more jaw-dropping, the energy required to leave such an intergalactic imprint is simply astronomical. But wait, things just got stranger. Right as we were getting comfortable with this cosmic riddle, space threw us another curveball. Enter the baffling odd radio circles, mysterious blobs of radio emission that don't match any known object or phenomenon, adding yet another layer to our cosmic puzzle. Imagine huge holes in space that could swallow our galaxy whole. Some of these cosmic gaps might be just a few light years across, while others stretch millions of light years wide, existing right here in the Milky Way or far beyond. Meanwhile, on Earth, disasters are unfolding at an alarming rate. Take Australia and California's catastrophic wildfires, for instance. The 2019-2020 Australian bushfire season left a lasting scar. A shocking 21% of their forests went up in flames, setting a new record that eclipsed past fires, both locally and globally over the last 2 decades. This unprecedented destruction put Australia at the forefront of climate change discussions, prompting calls for action from governments worldwide to step up their efforts in reducing emissions. Get ready for mind-blowing cosmic records. California's wildfire season hit an all-time high in 2020, but that's not all. We're talking astronomical extremes here. In a shocking discovery, scientists have identified a pulsar with the most powerful magnetic field our universe has ever seen, smashing previous records and redefining what's thought possible in space. Imagine being within reach of a force so incredibly intense that it could shred you down to your atomic building blocks. Talk about mind-boggling. We've got a superstar in our universe that packs an intimidating punch. This pulsar boasts a magnetic field of an astonishing 1 billion Tesla, dwarfing the Sun's top strength of just 0.4 Tesla and Earth's puny 30 microtesla. One wrong step, or should I say one wrong orbit, could lead to an atomic disintegration. This cosmic powerhouse is not something you'd want to mess with. Get ready for some serious mind-bending art. You might have thought we stumbled upon an ancient underwater city while exploring treasures from the wreck of the unbelievable. But nope, this is actually a masterclass in illusion by artist Damien Hirst. He deliberately spun a yarn about uncovering a sunken ship hidden beneath the Indian Ocean's waves to grab our attention. So convincing was his tale that Netflix jumped on board and created an entire series, crafting a mockumentary around it, a fake documentary built upon a fabrication. Talk about layers of deception. Get ready for a game-changing discovery that's rocking the world of physics. At CERN's Large Hadron Collider, the LHCb team made an astonishing find. A never-before-seen 4-quark particle, giving us our first glimpse into a whole new class of particles yet to be explored. Imagine building blocks within building blocks. These mysterious quarks are linking up in ways we've never seen before, helping us crack the code on how they form the protons and neutrons that make up atomic nuclei. It's like solving a cosmic puzzle.